Trishanu'stech. So let's start today's video. So today I'll be showing you the HP mechanical gaming keyboard GK100. That's the model number GK100, as you can see right here. So this is the gaming keyboard. The box is quite well. The packaging quality, I would say it's very good. It's phenomenal packaging quality. This gaming keyboard comes under 1500 rupees, and I am really impressed by the quality of the packaging for this, and let's dig right into it. So yes guys, as you can see, this is the keyboard right here and this is the box. So yeah, let's just start the review from here. And right now, as you can see, I've opened it. I have actually used this product since many days, and yeah, so as you can see, this is just the basic keyboard right here, and we get some paperworks, but most of the paperwork is in Chinese. As you can see right here, it's totally in Chinese, so none of our use. And this is the key removal tool, which I'll demonstrate after some time. So yeah, let's just keep the box aside, and here comes the main keyboard. So this is the keyboard right here. So yes guys, as you can see, this is the keyboard right here, and now the clicking sound is very good. HP logo is here. The chassis is made up of plastic down. As you can see, it's plastic everywhere, but yeah, the quality is very good. It feels premium, and they have even given a velcro, which is a good touch to the cable. You can remove the velcro, and the cable itself is of it's a 1.8 meter cable, so it's quite long. If you would like to attach it to your PC or laptop, whatever you wish, you can sit quite far from it, or else the cable length is quite good on this. 1.8 meters is a lot. And yeah, now I'll just demonstrate you guys with the key removal tool. So you go ahead, if you want to take out the K button, go ahead, press it so that it goes inside. As you can see, it's went inside, and then just slightly gently pull it up and slide it right out, and as you can see, the key is right out. And when you again want to replace it, then just push it in. So yes guys, as you can see, it's working totally good, and it's just like the other keys. So yes guys, these are the blue switches. It's just called the blue switches. I don't know why, but yeah, as they have mentioned in the box as well, you can see blue switches. And right now, so this has a travel of 2.4 mm, and with 60 grams of pressure, you can press these keys inside, which is very less. But I would say that this keyboard isn't meant for carrying around. It's for a stationary place, because this keyboard is quite heavy and it's long as well. So the keyboard's accurate weight is 810 grams, which is quite heavy for a keyboard of this size. The keyboard's compatible with Mac OS, Windows, any version of Windows as well, and even Linux as well. In total, there are 104 buttons on this keyboard, and they claim that we can press the keys, each key 50 million times. Then that's the lifespan of this keyboard. So yeah, we would have to test that. I'm not quite sure about that, but I have used this since 1 week, and I felt that the keyboard is flawless. There isn't any thing bad in this, except the fact that these keys have to be secured a little bit better, because the bigger keys are moving quite a lot. As you can see, this as well is moving. In the other rest of the keyboards, like which are costly kind of, the keys don't move, and we don't get a braided cable as well. If it was a braided cable, that would be a nice touch to it, but for 1500 rupees, this is a very good keyboard, I would say. And this keyboard is also RGB, which I'll demonstrate to you right now. So yeah, let me just plug in the cable right into my laptop, and we'll see this. So yes guys, as you can see that I have turned all the lights off for you to view the RGB better. So yeah, let's start into the modes of this. So there are many different modes in this keyboard. So one, you can access all the modes through holding function. So I have pressed function plus 1. This is 1. This is for only gaming. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is nothing basically. I'll show you the 0 and 9 have a different function in this, so I'll be showing that to you in a second. For now, you can press function plus home to bring it back to the normal state, or else if you want to escape from everything, then just press function plus escape and it brings it back directly to the original state, and it also resets the keyboard as well. So if there is any problem with that, you can just press function plus escape. And also you can change the modes by pressing function plus insert, or this, or this. So these are all the different modes. As you can see, when I'm pressing some key, the lights are turning off. This is one mode, then this is the other mode. Once again I press function plus insert, it turns back to the first mode, but which I don't want. And now I can go back to the home mode. This has different patterns. As you can see, the patterns are going on. Now whenever I press some key, from there all the RGB start lighting up, and we can press function plus home again for activating this type of thing. So yeah, and now we can press the function plus page up, which activates this kind of. Again we can press function plus page up, just as the opposite, and again we can press function plus page up to do this. There's another pattern, function plus delete gives us this, function plus delete again gives us this, function plus delete again gives us this, and function plus page down gives us this, function plus page down again gives us this, function plus page down again gives us this. So these are all the pre-built patterns which are there inside this keyboard. That's all for the pre-built pattern. Now I'll be explaining you how you can set up your own keystrokes in which you want the RGB to glow or something. So you can just do this, function plus 0, all the lights turn off, and then you can press function plus end to activate this mode. As you can see, all the lights are blinking here. So if you want all these keys to be turned on right now, yeah, so you can just press whichever keys RGBs you want to turn on, and then again go ahead and press function plus end, and as you can see, this has got saved. And yeah, now it's on the preset which I have set it to, and if you want to escape from here, just press function plus escape. So yes guys, that was it for the patterns. And if you would like to set the intensity of any pattern like this, just press function plus arrow key, and this will make it faster, and function plus arrow key down will make it slower. And if you would like to set brightness of the keyboard, then you can do this. For the max brightness, as you can see, when it reaches to the max brightness, all the LEDs glow together. And if you would like to decrease the brightness, then you can do this, and it decreases the brightness. There are total 5 levels of brightness. So as you saw that there are 4 LED indicators right here. These indicator, one is for numlock, which is this, as you can see. This one is for the downloading. If I have downloaded any preset which I just explained with the function plus 0 and end, then this LED will start glowing. And if you would like to reset that, you have to turn it on or off more than 3 times, then it will get resetted automatically. And the other LED indicator is for the caps lock, as you can see, and the last LED indicator is for the Windows lock key. So if you are using it on Mac or something, then you would obviously want to lock the Windows, so you could go ahead and press function plus L plus Windows, and this activates the Windows lock key. So this key is basically useless now, and if you would like to disengage that, then just do the same thing again and it goes right off. This keyboard also has key ghosting, so you can, for activating key ghosting, you can just press function plus this key right here, this one you can see, and if you press this again, then it gets activated. You can test it also. The key ghosting works pretty well in this. I can press more than 8 keys on this at one time, so I would say that it works very good. The keys have a very clicky sound, so as you can hear, and it gives a very good feeling when you are typing. So yes guys, that was it for today's video. If you did like it, please do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.